Today, we're going to learn all about numbers from 1 to 20 with some exciting adventures along the way. Number 1, the Lonely Pirate. Ahoy, mateys! Meet Pirate Pete, the loneliest pirate on the high seas. He's all alone on his ship, but he's ready for adventure. Number 2, the Diving Dolphins. Look, it's two playful dolphins diving in and out of the ocean waves. They're having so much fun together. Number 3, the Magical Genie. 3 wishes for you from the Magical Genie. What would you wish for? Number 4, the Fantastic Four. Here come the Fantastic Four, ready to save the day. 4 superheroes working together to keep us safe. Number 5, the High-Flying Kites. 5 colorful kites dancing in the sky, swaying to the rhythm of the wind. Number 6, the Busy Bees. 6 busy bees buzzing around, collecting nectar to make sweet honey. Number 7, the Lucky Ladybugs. 7 lucky ladybugs crawling on leaves, bringing good luck wherever they go. Number 8, the Octopus's Garden. In the Octopus's Garden, there are 8 beautiful plants, each one carefully tended by our friendly octopus friend. Number 9, magical creatures of the forest. Welcome to the magical forest, where fairies flutter and unicorns roam. Join us as we discover the wonders of these mystical creatures.
Number 10, the racing cars. 10 speedy race cars zooming around the track, racing to be the first across the finish line.
Number 11, the soccer team. 11 players on the soccer team, working together to score a goal and win the game. Number 12, the 12 dancing stars. Look at these 12 twinkling stars dancing in the night sky. Aren't they beautiful? Count them with me. Number 13, the spooky ghosts. 13 spooky ghosts haunting the old mansion, but they're actually quite friendly once you get to know them. Number 14, the 14 glittering fireflies. 14 glittering fireflies lighting up the night, creating a magical glow. Count them with me. Number 15, the 15 playful puppies. 15 playful puppies frolicking in the park, having the time of their lives. Let's count them all. Number 16, the 16 silly monkeys. 16 silly monkeys swinging through the trees, having lots of fun. Count them with me. Number 17, the dancing penguins. 17 playful penguins dancing on the ice, twirling and sliding in perfect harmony. Number 18, the 18 busy ants. 18 busy ants working hard, carrying food back to their hill. Count them with me. Number 19, the 19 happy butterflies. 19 happy butterflies fluttering among the flowers, spreading joy and color everywhere. Count them with me. Number 20, the grand finale. And finally, the grand finale with 20 dazzling fireworks lighting up the night sky in a spectacular display of color and light. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos like this one.